Let's explore refugee protection's effectiveness, problems, and urgent need for comprehensive legal frameworks. In this extensive investigation, we'll examine international law, host countries, and refugees seeking safety and dignity. The global responsibility to protect refugees. Before we discuss legal issues, let's define refugees. These people, sometimes displaced by war, persecution, or violence, seek sanctuary abroad. The 1951 Refugee Convention, a cornerstone of international law, defines refugees. Fear of persecution. Refugees dread persecution based on race, religion, nationality, politics, or social group. 2. Geographical context. They're abroad. Inability to rely on protection. Fear prevents them from returning to their native country, where protection is inadequate. Statelessness. Refugees without citizenship cannot return owing to armed conflict or institutional discrimination. The subjective terror is crucial. It shows an individual's mood, affected by family and personal history. Fear can come from direct threats or larger circumstances. Even seeking for refugee status shows fear of persecution. Context and circumstances affect objective indicators. Persecution involves a threat to life, freedom, or other rights. Refouling refugees to danger is prohibited under Article 33 of the 1951 Convention. 3. Subsidiary protection. Not all displaced people are refugees. Say subsidiary protection. Although not refugees, they face serious risks if returned home. International Protection Qualifying Directive of the EU recognizes this category. Those who don't meet primary refugee standards but need protection receive subsidiary protection. 4th, UNHCR's mandate. The UNHCR protects refugees worldwide. Beyond physical safety, UNHCR promotes refugees' rights. Equality. Refugees should have the same rights as citizens. Freedom of thought, speech, and movement. Refugees need medical treatment, education, and vocational training. They deserve to work and earn in host countries. Pakistan's complex terrain. Pakistan faces a difficult legal situation despite hosting millions of refugees. National refugee legislation are lacking. Refugee rights are shaped by customary international law, international responsibilities, domestic policy, and reservations. Refugees in Pakistan face challenges. Education. Afghan refugee children in Pakistan attend elementary school, but documentation concerns prevent enrollment. Only 49% of Afghan refugee kids attend school. 2. Healthcare. Refugees pay high public healthcare costs. Non-citizens cannot use the Sehat Sahulat card for citizens. Exploitation. Employers, landlords, and authorities exploit undocumented refugees in the informal labor market. Legal limbo. A lack of legal status limits refugees' employment. Afghan refugees are protected by the POR, but have fewer options. 6. Pakistan needs a refugee law. Pakistan must be more than welcoming. A comprehensive refugee law is needed. It would clarify rights, define refugees' rights for fairness, fill gaps left by conventional practices and ad hoc policies, empower refugees with legal status, education, health care, and jobs.